today's scratching session, we are doing the $1 Florida Lottery $50 Explosion. I haven't scratched too many of these. This particular one, we are looking to find a matching number or a money bag. The odds on this particular ticket, 1 in 4.71, not great, not terrible. We've scratched ones that are worse. I do have 10 of them, so we are starting out with ticket 240, going all the way up to 249. So let's get started. Get that a little bit further in. Let's see what we can find. We got an 11, a 12, a 5, a 10, and a 13. All right. Let's see what's underneath their winning number. We got a 9. All right, so scratch 1 is a dud. Moving on to scratch 2, which is also ticket 241. Let's see what we can find. Got a 9, a 6, a 3, a 4, and a 13. Numero uno. So that is not a match. So ticket 2 is a dud. Scratch 2 is a dud. Moving on to scratch 3, which is ticket 242. Let's see what we can get here. If we can find anything. Got a 3, a 7, a 4, a 10, and a 9. All right, let's see what our number is. Our number is a 6, so scratch 3, nothing. Moving over to scratch number 4, ticket 243. Let's see what our numbers are. Oh, okay. We got a 1, a money bag. I love seeing those symbols. Another 1, and a 5. And our number is the 1. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a 5 underneath there. That's pretty dang nice for a 1 ticket. Let's see what's underneath this one. We got another 5. Another 5 up to 15 and 20. That is not too shabby, considering that's a 20 win and I spent 10 altogether, so we're not busting this session. So this is going to be scratch 5, ticket 244. See if we can keep that momentum going. Let's see what we got. A 4, a 7, a 10, an 8, and a 15. Let's see what our number is. Numero uno. No good on this ticket. It was really good on the last ticket. All right, so moving on to scratch number 6, ticket 245. So we got a 6, a 10, a 15, a 7, and an 11. And our number, or the winning number, is a 2. That is a dud. Moving on to scratch 7, ticket 246. Let's see if we can find some more symbols. Doesn't look like it. 7, 8, 9, hopefully lucky 13, and a 15. Let's see. We got a 6, so that is a dud. No matches there. Scratch number 8, ticket 247. Let's see. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. We got a 6. Let's see what we got underneath here. A 1, a 2, 13, 11, and an 8. No matches on that. Ticket number 248, which is going to be scratch number 9. Let's see what our numbers are. Got a 4, a 12, an 8, a 3, and a 2. Let's see what the number is. It's a 9. Okay, so that is a dud. Our last and final scratch of this session, scratch 10, ticket 249. Come on, money bag. All right, we got an 8, a 15, a 7, a 2, a 12. Can we match it? We've got a 12. All right, let's see what's underneath. We got a 1. It's at least a refund, right? I'll take it. I will take it. Thank you all so much for checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to work my way through all the Florida tickets. Let's see. So on the $50 explosion, we did $10, 10 tickets, and we ended up with 21 total. So this was actually a profit session. Not too shabby. I will take it. Thanks for checking out the video. I do lives on TikTok every Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern, under the same username, FL_unicorn_scratcher. Feel free to check me out over there. And thanks for watching. Bye.